what's up and welcome back to another vlog. We are on our way to Nidishal Ashley's. You're gonna hear this sentence many times for 3 months, but yeah, we are heading there because we are doing sushi night tonight. Mom wants to learn how to make sushi and she wants to try new ones. So if you guys know that we learned how to make sushi from one of our friends, we also did a vlog, so don't forget to go and check it out. And
Mom was back in India and she saw that vlog and she was like, oh my god, when I come here you guys have to teach me how to make sushi and I want to have some. Yeah,
so this morning me and Ashley we went to H Mart for all the grocery shopping for sushi, and then we are heading there and we're gonna make it. 6:30 everybody's gonna come, so let's go make some sushis and see how they come out to be. I'm hoping they're gonna be good because we really learned it last time. So yeah.
And oh my god, we are running so late.
Oh yeah, also we are late. I totally forgot to tell you guys, we are late because
last minute spit up accident happened.
The main thing why we are late, I forgot to tell you, he drank milk and then he was in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom, I burped and everything. He was just lying down, and then as soon as he came out of the bathroom, he saw he had a huge spit out, like huge. All his clothes, his hair, everything was full of milk. So we had to change his clothes, clean him up, so that's why we are late, but
typical mom and dad life.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are here, mom is here, she's seeing how this thing is made, and we look at the amount of rice we have. Oh my god. And we have chicken and eel and crab, imitation crab, and avocados, fried onions. We are making spicy mayo, black sesame seeds.
I'll start making the eel one for now and some of the chicken.
And then we have seaweed over here, and I am gonna be frying the shrimps. So a lot going on in this kitchen, so total madness. Look at that, beautiful.
So I told you guys that we were late. On top of that, I gave her expired seaweed yesterday and we just made one roll just to try it before the guests come. And oh my god, it tasted so bad, it was soapy, and then we realized the seaweed was expired, so we are rushing to Wegmans right now to get seaweed, and hopefully we make it back before they come, and hopefully we make the rolls before they come. So yep, me and Ashley are rushing to Wegmans right now. Friday couldn't get any better. Right? Should I just put it like this? Yeah.
Man, I'll have to.
I told them the backstory.
Hey, how about coffee? Upstairs too?
Yeah, or the kids now.
Baby sleeping?
I don't know.
No, he's not. He's playing. Mom, dad. He's playing with mom and dad.
That's not my kids right now. It's mom and dad kids.
He didn't want to feed, right? Alrighty, we totally forgot to show you all the sushi that we made, but there were like 100 of them, all the plates, and they're all empty, they're all gone. But I'm gonna show you the dessert. Let me see.
Normally reach.
We have
This is one I kept
cannoli
it for the last year.
over here.
And
Oh, and Dad is also enjoying sushi. He loved it, you did, right? Yep, this is here, and here we have cheesecake right there.